was wondering why it wouldn't roll to get it on the ramp of the trailer. And yeah, that'll do it. You jammed this broken piece into the wheel. That's really nice of them. Thanks, guys. This is where we are so far. I've got the tank off, the handlebars off, and the seats off just so I can get all the plastic pieces off. I'll be replacing this and the left side plastics, and then I have this here, this bracket that holds the light. This bracket here that holds the radiator on, I'll need to unmount the radiator and kind of bend that back into place there to get this to mount properly, because it got pushed over a little bit in the accident. There's a few things I did off camera since the last video, or the last update, which is replace the stator cover. So I went ahead and replaced that stator cover, did an oil change, new filter. We also replaced this. I think I did a short about that, but basically, yeah, replaced this whole bracket and foot peg and shifter assembly. So all that's left is to put that tank back on, and the new one, that is. Gotta put the new tank on, the new plastics, the decals, the handlebars, and this build will be done. So I'm gonna set this camera back up and continue the video.